Hi, my name's Kieran. I am wearing a white polo shirt. I am a white, black Caribbean young man of 24 years old. I'm currently sitting down with a really jazzy wallpaper behind me. I am of Welsh and Caribbean heritage. As a former secondary school teacher in a school near the city centre, I'm now working with communities locally and internationally, using the power of sport, faith and mental health to bring about positive impact. I live in Earlsdon and I will be supporting young people across the whole of the city through directing a basketball and mental health programme called Guardian Ballers in partnership with Coventry and Warwickshire Mind. I wanted to be a part of the Community Connectors programme because I saw my participation as an opportunity to help me explore the deeper levels of the stories and communities of the Guardian Ballers young people, and to glean from the expertise within the collaborative city team. I'm hoping to gain support in producing a creative piece that will tell rich stories of some of the young people of Coventry that are within the Guardian Ballers programme. This will showcase the beautiful diversity of the city of Coventry through the stories of the young people and their extended communities. I'm currently learning about the layered and progressive steps that occur in preparing a scaffolded plan for a creative piece that tells a story. A highlight for me so far being part of the programme has got to be gathering with different people across Coventry online, getting to know their stories, their lives and their passions, together with looking at how they develop their piece as part of this programme. One phrase that I would use to describe Coventry is a rainbow of diversity.